Welcome back to my channel Techno Trend Zone, where we dive into the latest and greatest in gaming and tech. Today, we have some exciting news about potential Nintendo announcements that could drop as soon as this week. Let's explore the leaks, rumors and speculation surrounding the much-anticipated Nintendo Switch 2 and other surprises Nintendo might have up its sleeve. Just yesterday, we discussed a massive factory leak revealing details about the Nintendo Switch 2. Specifically, its Joy-Con design and a potential new feature involving an optical laser on the side. First, thank you to everyone who watched and supported that video. If you're new here, we're your go-to channel for all things Nintendo Switch 2 and beyond. Be sure to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications to stay updated on every detail leading up to the console's launch. What's even more exciting than the factory leaks is the possibility of an official reveal trailer from Nintendo this week. Could the first full week of January be the window for a surprise announcement? Some compelling rumors suggest January 8th might be the day. These whispers come from a Chinese Weiyu leaker who has previously nailed predictions about Nintendo Direct announcements, including games like Metroid Prime 4, Ace Attorney, and 2D Zelda. This same leaker hinted at a significant announcement, but later backtracked, claiming it might be related to a beta release for another game. However, their credibility remains high, keeping January 8th as a key date to watch. Another name to watch in the leak community is the mysterious Big Red Bird, Pororo. Known for their uncanny accuracy in Nintendo predictions, Pororo has recently teased a major announcement. However, they caution fans not to jump to conclusions about a Switch 2 reveal. Based on their recent activity, it seems the focus could instead be on Xenoblade Chronicles X. Pororo's hints align with earlier reports from reliable sources suggesting that Nintendo is preparing promotional material for Xenoblade this week. While this may seem like a letdown for Switch 2 hopefuls, there's still room for optimism. Pororo's information often comes from Nintendo's internal backend, which doesn't always include hardware announcements. Nintendo has been known to surprise fans with hardware reveals. Remember the stealthy announcement of the original Switch? A surprise tweet from Nintendo teasing next-generation hardware could still happen with little notice. Let's circle back to another credible source, Neen Spider, who has previously leaked accurate information about Joy-Con designs, including magnetic attachment and unique color schemes. Their recent post hinted at 2 additional buttons on the back of the Pro Controller and back buttons on the Joy-Cons designed for input rather than release. They also hinted at a possible announcement in early January, though tempered expectations by noting it might be focused on Xenoblade Chronicles X rather than Switch 2. Adding to the speculation, Xenoblade Chronicles X is due for more promotional content, possibly an overview or story trailer. Nintendo's approach to announcements often includes simultaneous game and hardware news, so while Xenoblade might dominate this week, it doesn't eliminate the chance for a Switch 2 reveal. Nintendo could drop a teaser trailer at any time, akin to their approach with the original Switch's reveal. Looking ahead, there are key dates in January to watch for a potential hardware reveal. Donkey Kong Country Returns HD is set for release on January 16th, and while it's a significant launch, Nintendo might avoid overlapping it with Switch 2 news. This makes the weeks of January 21st and January 28th prime candidates for a reveal. Additionally, Nintendo's next quarterly financial briefing is scheduled for February 4th. Historically, these meetings have been a platform for significant announcements. For example, last May, Nintendo confirmed plans to reveal next-generation hardware by the end of this fiscal year, which concludes on March 31, 2025. During November's financial briefing, Nintendo also confirmed backward compatibility for the Switch 2 and the continuation of Nintendo Switch Online services. These meetings often provide critical updates, so it's plausible Nintendo will unveil the Switch 2 before February 4th to give investors clarity on their next-gen strategy. With these timelines in mind, the most likely dates for a Switch 2 reveal are January 21st to 23rd or January 28th to 30th, aligning with Nintendo's pattern of announcements. Fans are eagerly awaiting confirmation of rumored features, including the Joy-Con's optical laser capabilities, enhanced chip technology, likely 5 or 8 nanometers, and improved gameplay options. As we edge closer to Nintendo's next move, the excitement is palpable. Whether it's Xenoblade Chronicles X, Donkey Kong, or the Switch 2, there's plenty to look forward to. What do you think about the rumors? Are you holding out for a January 8th reveal, or do you think Nintendo will wait until later in the month? Let me know your thoughts in the comments below. Make sure to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications to stay in the loop. Once again, welcome back to my channel Techno Trend Zone, your source for all the latest in gaming and tech. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.